All right, today we got Cooper on the table. Cooper's a 12-year-old athlete. And he doesn't necessarily have any complaints today, but he comes in once a month just to make sure that he's functioning the best he can so that he does the best he can. Your basketball season right now, right?
Yep.
Cooper started last fall when he had a bit of a football injury, and then he realized he felt so good that he kept on coming every month. Did you feel like it helps you play better?
Yep, it did.
Good. Okay, put your right arm on your low back and arm down, and left arm on your back, arm down. Okay, put both arms on your back. Good. Keep the left arm where it's at, right arm above your head. Right arm down, left arm above your head. And bring that arm down. Okay, now let's get both arms above your head. And bring them back down. All right, now turn your head to the right side. Keep your head turned. Lift your right shoulder off the table, shoulder down. Shrug your shoulders towards your head, and shoulders down, face down. So as you can see, even though he doesn't necessarily have any complaints, there is still definitely several areas that needed to be adjusted on him. Okay, lift your head up off the table and head down, and tuck your chin down to your chest and back to the center. Okay, tuck your chin and face right, back to the center, and tuck your chin and face left and back to the center. Having any headaches or anything?
Nope.
Good. All right. And we got Coop's legs even again for the month. All right.